Today, in our expedition through Seville, we will begin by seeing the incredible Sevillian shipyards. We will go inside the structure of this work found in Templado streets in Seville. This Gothic and mudéjar architecture was built in the 13th century and was used to build ships and galleys that would serve the defense needs of the crown. They sent ships to defend the Strait of Gibraltar as it was invaded by the Muslims. The shipyards of Seville were built by Alfonso X, also known as Alfonso X the Wise. He was born in the 23rd of November of the 1221 in Toledo, and he died the 4th of April in 1284 in Seville. Here we can see the evolution of the Atarazanas in Seville. At the beginning, they were looked like basic shipyards. Here, they started to build some giant doors for galleys and ships. And also, it started to be used for naval activity. And according to time, it will be used for multiple things.
4 towers and 3 wall locks delimited the space designed for the construction and maintenance of galleys. Any ancient sailing and rowing vessel, generally used for war, is known as galley. These boats are characterized by the lineage and great length. An example of galley is La Real, used by the coalition known as Holy League in the Battle of Lepanto. It was a building open to the sea, since the boats entered and left through the Mediterranean facade. From this enclosure, the building grew, incorporating powerful walls and bastions, and becoming large medieval arsenal. Right now, there are only 7 of those boats left. A few centuries ago, there were hundreds and hundreds more, but over the time they have been demolished, and this is why there are only so few left. Also, this year, December 2021, they began to make some repairs to the shipyard, and it will cost about 20.2 million euros, and it will last 24 months.
The Atarazanas building is made of a Gothic mudéjar style brick, with a dimension of 7,200 square meters, containing an incredible inside, and with also a spectacular and beautiful enclosure. There are wide and long naves, which are communicated laterally through the arches. The adjoining naves are arranged perpendicular to the direction of the river. The bottom, of which was the Almohad wall of the city, contains a succession of brick pillars, on which lines of the arches rest and in which wide channels are built to collect water. This obviously formalizing the aqueduct that characterized the roof plan.
They constituted the naval industry owned by the Crown of Castile in the golden age of the city of Seville. They were operational between the 13th and 15th centuries. Atarazana is synonymous of shipyard. It is temporarily closed as it is being renovated, but in the future it will be possible to visit again. Right now, there are only 7 of those boats left. A few centuries ago, there were hundreds and hundreds more, but over time they have been demolished, and that is why there are only so few left. Also, this year In December 2021, they have begun to make some repairs to the shipyard and that will cost about 20.2 million of euros and will last 24 months. And in 24 months, we could visit again this incredible monument.